presenting a house from the late Bronze Age on Holyhead Mountain. Well, it's overlooked by Holyhead Mountain. This is Karl-James for Archaeology Cymru. This is one of the sites that we'll be visiting as a group in October. There are 10 places on the group excursion in a minibus. Look at the state of preservation. I'm only actually going to film one of these buildings, but there are quite a number of them here, at least 10 at this site. I've just been looking into this building and it's absolutely fascinating. And as an archaeology bite for this site, trying to understand the context here. Is that the state of remarkable preservation of this one of many buildings. As we've entered, we shall leave, and we honour the fact that this site has been here for well over 3,000 years. And as we leave this structure, and as we hope that my trip in October will come and visit this site, this is Karl-James Langford for Archaeology Cymru, leaving one of these wonderful pieces of archaeology excavated on Holyhead Mountain. Thank you very much.